Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Kawaii King Kong. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Kawaii Kong, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down. And then I'm going to bring this up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and up. And then one little line over here that's just going to go down and up for the eyes. I want to make a little smiley face towards the top of each one. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color this in so we can kind of fill up the eye. And I'll do the same thing here. We'll just color this in for the eye. For the nose, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up, over, and then down. And then I'm just going to make two little dots in there. Now for the face, or the mouth, I'm just going to make a little line across here. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come up and down. Then right here I'm going to go up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line in, kind of curve it down, and I'm going to kind of curve this down. Then I'm just going to make a little zigzag line across here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'll put a couple points on it, and then I'll bring it down again. And then same thing here. I'm going to bring this down, a couple points, and then we'll bring it down here. Then I'm going to bring this line up, put a couple little points on it, and then connect it to here. For the ear, let's draw a line that's going to go up and then down, kind of like an oval. And then over here, let's just draw a line, and then we'll make a line that's going to go up and down for an ear. Then right here for his beard, let's just make a little kind of zigzag line like this. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then let's make a line that's just going to kind of go down and then over here. We'll make a little zigzag line here, and then a little zigzag line here. Then I'm going to bring this up. And we'll bring this over to here. Now right here, I'm going to go down, over, and then up. Then I'm going to draw a little line down here. Then right here, I'm going to go down, over and up, and then over and up. Then I'm going to draw a little curve here for a finger, and then a little curve here. So it kind of looks like he's wearing that new glove. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to put a few little zigzag lines on it. Then I'm going to bring this up. Little curved line across. We'll come down with a couple more little zigzag lines, and we'll bring it up. For the feet, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve around like this. We'll make one here, and then one more here, and I'll bring it around. Same thing here, I'm going to bring this out and kind of curve. Put a little curve here, and then one here, and we'll bring this around. Right here, we're just going to curve a line down and up. And then we're just going to curve a line to here. One here, and one here. I'm going to bring a line up, and then a line up here to start the axe. Then we'll bring a line down here, and a line down here. We'll make two little bumps here. And we'll bring this line over. I'm going to bring this up, make two little points, and then down. Then I'm going to bring this out, and then in, out, and in, out, and then in. Then we'll make the smaller side here. We'll go out and in, out and in. We'll make like an X right here. And then to finish it off, we'll just draw a line that's just going to curve down and then up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Kawaii Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.